Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often the starting point for many aspiring coders: the best programming languages for beginners. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on all things tech and coding related. Alright, let's get started. So, you've decided to step into the exciting world of programming. But where should you begin? There are tons of programming languages out there, each with its own unique features and applications. But for beginners, some languages offer a smoother learning curve and practicality. First up, Python. It's often recommended as a starting point, and for good reason. Python's readability and simplicity make it incredibly beginner-friendly. Its versatile nature allows you to build web applications, analyze data, create games, and even dive into artificial intelligence and machine learning. Next on the list is JavaScript. As the language of the web, it's essential for front-end development. Learning JavaScript opens doors to creating interactive websites and applications. Plus, with frameworks like React and Vue.js, you can take your skills even further. Another great language is Ruby. Known for its elegant syntax and beginner-friendly community, Ruby is often praised for its readability. It powers the popular web framework Ruby on Rails, making it a fantastic choice for web development enthusiasts. Java is another solid option for beginners. It's widely used in various applications, from Android app development to enterprise-level systems. Learning Java lays a strong foundation for understanding object-oriented programming principles. Now, let's talk about C#. This language, developed by Microsoft, is especially useful for building Windows applications and games using the Unity game engine. Its similarity to Java can make transitioning between these languages smoother. Last but not least, consider learning Swift if you're interested in iOS app development. Swift's modern syntax and powerful features have made it the go-to language for creating apps for Apple devices. Remember, the best language for you depends on your interests and goals. Take your time exploring different languages and find one that resonates with you. And there you have it, a rundown of some of the best programming languages for beginners. Whichever language you choose, remember that practice and dedication are key to mastering it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who are also starting their coding journey. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing which programming language you're excited to learn.